dedicated to helping business owners excel in the digital world. This is The Path to Growth.
Hey guys, Joe Pellegrino here from RJ Media. In today's video, we're going to go over why your business needs to start utilizing video. If that sounds like something you're interested in, let's get into it. You might be thinking, but Joe, why would I want to shoot video when I have tons of images already I could use for advertisements? But did you know that customers are 20 to 30% more likely to make a purchase if it's a video ad than if it's an image ad? Why pick video over images? Well, a picture is worth 1,000 words, a video is worth 1,000,000 words. Actually, probably over 1,000,000 words, because I'm speaking to you, you're better understanding what's going on here. Your customers will better understand what's going on when you're speaking to them. Imagine a customer just walked into your shop. Do they trust you? Do they know who you are? No. So what are you going to do? You're going to introduce them. You're going to say, hi, my name's John. Welcome to John's Bakery. We've been here since 1967 and we have the best bagels and the best bakery products and the best cake in the world. Why not do the same thing for your business over the internet? There's no reason why. You could use Facebook and you could use Instagram to make videos through storytelling. And you're actually literally describing your business, the history of your business, the people involved in your business, to potential customers and to your existing customers. Because once they build trust over this relationship through storytelling, the possibilities are endless. Do you guys realize that the modern day window shopping is actually your Instagram, your Facebook, your YouTube? People are scrolling on these platforms, and when they click on your profile, where are they gonna land? Are they gonna land on a post that was made June 2019, or are they gonna land on a Christmas post and it's now summer? You need to make sure your page is up to date with engaging posts. Not only photos, but you need to also have video content on there. Anything that shows your engagement, you're alive, you're engaging with your customers, anything that is related to the products you're trying to sell. You could make a video TV show on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook around the product that you're trying to sell. It's that simple. I know you might be saying, why do video? I could just run a commercial on TV. But you don't get all the data from there. When you run a Facebook video ad, you can actually see what the percentage is of how many people viewed your video and the percentage watched of the actual video. You can tell whether or not people were interested. You can tell whether or not people didn't like the way you spoke halfway through the video. All these data points is what helps you sell products through your funnel. Now I know what you might be thinking. You got to do this whole federal case and production around a video. It's not that hard to shoot video anymore. We literally can shoot a video in 30 minutes if we wanted to. And you're only going to be producing a 30-second to 60-second piece of content for social media, or it could be a 5-minute piece for YouTube. It depends on what you're trying to put out there to the world. You could do a video and put on your Instagram stories. It doesn't have to be a federal case. It could be a very simple video. You just have to keep putting out content. Guys, if you found any value with this video, subscribe below and you'll see more content like this. It will help you and your business thrive in the digital landscape.
If you feel like this has brought you some value, please join our community by texting podcast to 516-447-5332.